Hi, my name is Sofia. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make a coffee can caddy, just like the mug caddy. You need an empty coffee can, fabric, ruler, measuring tape, pen, interface, elastic, clips, scissors, and thread, and a sewing machine. We start by measuring the can and doubling the width. For the main body of the can, you cut two pieces of the main fabric and one of interface. And then for the pockets, you want to make them a little shorter than the height of the can. Iron the interface on carefully. So we have three pieces of the main body of the can. You mark and cut half an inch of the main body of the caddy, half an inch on the sides for the inner part of the caddy. Okay. Just for half of it. We're gonna cut after we mark. Okay, next is to mark the pockets. I marked every 2 inches or 1.5 inches, depending. You are free to choose the width of the pockets, of course. You don't have to follow my instructions to a T. We're gonna do that on both sides. So we're gonna have pockets on both sides, on the inside and on the outside. Next step is to clip and sew the pockets in place. We're gonna sew lines starting at the bottom up to the end of the pocket. Make sure you backstitch so they don't come off easily. After that, we're gonna secure the bottom by sewing at the bottom of the pockets, both sides. Okay. I added fold over elastic for trim at the bottom of the pockets, but you can add bias tape. I think it's just easier for me to add fold over elastic since it's already there. Okay, and now on the sides, both sides, we're gonna add the elastic. Again, I've seen these caddies made with bias tape and ties to tie them, to keep them in place. So you can do that. It's easier for me to just use fold over elastic. Sew the elastic with a zigzag stitch, of course, because it's elastic. And when you're done attaching the elastic to the body of the caddy, you can create elastic ties with the elastic. And that's what I did. I just sewed them in place. And now it's the time to put it on the can. We're gonna slide it nicely like a beanie on somebody's head or like a glove. Okay, and that's all. Thank you for watching the video. Please click like and subscribe to my channel, please, for more videos.